2011 is over, so what should people do differently in 2012 when it comes to their finances? Frank Fantozzi of Plan Financial Services says the first thing is resolve to live within your means.
Regardless of, it seems, income, people tend to push the border, and we try to get them focused in on solid savings goals. So if people line up their savings goals, I think that really is an important thing. Tax planning is always real important this time of year, making sure that you mitigate any type of taxes that you can for 2011 and look forward to where we think 2012 will be. And lastly, always review the investment portfolios. The markets are fluid, but they are changing, and so because you believe in buy and hold, that's a good strategy. Things do change, and I think paying attention to where your holdings are is important as well.
All right, how often should they check? Should they check every week, once a month? What's the best time?
I would say, unless you're considering yourself a day trader, I would say, once a quarter or twice a year, just, paying attention to the allocations that you have, paying attention to where you see the trends happening in the market so that you don't get caught overexposed. For example, next year we feel because of the austerity measures that are going to happen in Europe, there's probably going to be a mild recession in Europe, and if you have a lot of exposure in Europe today, you might want to reduce that exposure. Now, consequently, if you don't have a lot of exposure, you can look at quality stocks that are European-based and look in and go in and buying them at a discount.
What's your New Year's resolution?
My New Year's resolution? I'm trying to get rid of the whipsaw effect that I've had with the markets. But my goal is really to stay on top of the game for our clients. They really rely on us, and making sure that their needs are being met usually takes care of my needs.